Hi everyone, welcome back to Virtual Little Kitchen. Today we are doing another personalized recipe for Mckenzie. We've always been very cautious about making sure we wash our hands before we make food, so we're going to teach you our little kitchen washing hand song. Okay, let's go guys. Top
and bottom, in between, all around our hands, wash them clean.
We do this twice and then we rinse with fresh water and dry our hands on our very own aprons.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Virtual Little Kitchen. Today we are making Mckenzie's easy peasy pumpkin pizza. Her favorite food is pizza. Fun fact, pizza actually comes from Italy. The ingredients Mckenzie gave us was corn, cheese, squash, and yogurt. Step 1.
Okay, you're going to peel and cut up the squash. We roasted our butternut prior to starting. You can roast it with a little bit of olive oil, cut it in half, take out the seeds, and then roast for about an hour.
Step 2.
Grate the cheese. We are using mozzarella cheese, but you can use any cheese you want, Gouda or cheddar.
Step 3. Make the pizza base.
What you'll need is about 100 milliliters of self-raising flour. If you don't have self-raising flour, you can use normal flour with a little bit of baking powder, about 1 teaspoon. And then you're going to use some herbs. We have just used mixed herbs and a pinch of Himalayan salt. Using double cream Greek yogurt, you're going to add almost the same amount, so about 100 mils, just leaving 1 teaspoon for the toppings. Add it to the flour and mix. Mix it with a spoon until it's almost combined, then you can use your hands. When it's combined, you can tip it out onto a lightly floured surface and you can knead well. To add a little bit more flour, you can do so. We knead, boys and girls, by using our knuckles.
Remember, knuckles.
When it's nicely combined and it looks like this, nice and smooth, we're going to roll it into a ball on a floured surface. And using a rolling pin, we're going to roll it flat. If you don't have a little rolling pin, you can always use a clean spice bottle. They work quite well. Next step, using scissors or a knife, depending on the age. This is a very good technique to show cutting skills. You can cut any shape of your choice.
Next step.
Using the rest of your yogurt, you're going to spoon it onto your pizza base and you're going to spread it. You can use a spoon or a knife for this. And we are using yogurt instead of tomato base. If you prefer tomato base, you can use tomato sauce.
Sprinkle on the cheese.
Then you can add the toppings as you like. Like I said, we've got butternut, we've got frozen sweet corn, and we've got pumpkin seeds. This is also a very good counting exercise. Okay, place in a preheated oven, about 180 degrees. Let a grown-up help you, and you're going to bake until brown.
And there you have it, Mckenzie's easy peasy pumpkin pizza. Hi everyone, thanks for joining Virtual Little Kitchen. See you next time.
If you would like a personalized recipe, contact us on info@little-kitchen.co.za.